The opposition continues to mount pressure on the Omar government over the brutal killing of a 24-year-old boy by security forces in the valley. The outrage on the streets has also forced the Indian Army to order an inquiry into the incident. Here's a complete report.
बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहता था.
An emotional outburst from a chief minister under pressure. An opposition not convinced walking out in a huff on Wednesday.
क्या आप समझते हैं कि हम इतने बेवकूफ या नादान हैं कि हम इन हालात में चाहें कि आप कुर्सी छोड़ें और हम बैठे? कांटों की सेज पर आप लेटे हैं, आप हम लेटे? ये खदशा नहीं रखिए कि अगर आप कोई फैसला लेते हैं तो आप तन्हा हैं या अकेले हैं या हम इसका फैसला लेना चाहते हैं.
But while the politicians fight it out in Jammu, the Kashmir Valley simmers over the death of this 24-year-old. Killed by security forces trying to quell a protest. The death of Tahir has forced the ordinary citizen on the street voicing protest against the state government and the forces.
कस्बे में हड़ताल थी और लोग चल रहे थे, छोटे छोटे गाड़ियां चल रही थी. अचानक फौज नमूदार हो गई, ताश नाश कर दिया यहाँ गाड़ियों को भी. हमने किया क्या? कि हम आपके तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए आर्मी आई यहाँ, और आर्मी यहाँ इतनी जुल्म और जबर करते हैं. ये देखो, ये गोलियों के शल है, इन्होंने फायर भी किया.
This family is distraught. They've lost their son. They now seek answers. The Indian Army finds itself on the wrong end and has initiated an inquiry.
There is a version, unprovoked firing. There is a version that there was provocation. There was a version that this boy possibly was not even there. There is a version that the army has fired in the air. All these aspects are being target fire. I can answer that. All these aspects are being looked into. That is what is known as investigation. So it would be incorrect on my part to respond spontaneously to what you are saying, because it will affect the investigation.
The Kashmir Valley continues to be tense after 24-year-old Tahir Ahmed was killed in alleged army firing, an incident that has triggered angry reactions from across the valley. Meanwhile, the state government is in the damage control mode, but rather than taking care of the situation by reaching out to the people, it is trying to rake up the AFSPA issue. On the other hand, the army has promised a time-bound inquiry.
The pressure is firmly on the Omar government, which has now got into damage control mode.
तो ये एटीट्यूड कब तक चलेगा? हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि ये क्या जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग, क्या यहाँ का नौजवान, क्या वो इंसान नहीं है? क्या वो कोई मिलिटेंट था? और उसके बाद चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब का तुर्रा कि मुझे भी पता नहीं कहीं उस क्राउड में मिलिटेंट तो नहीं था. यानी वो ऑलरेडी जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि गोली क्यों चली.
As political parties have loud public fights, the ordinary citizen of Kashmir is left to fight his own battle, and that anger is now clear and present. Bureau Report, Times Now.